Well, today I have an absolutely massive update on the shop and the Kraken and the 42 COE and the Monster Jimmy. So let's get into it. For the last 2 months, I've been trying to get this shop up to par and battling the cold and the snow and the mud. And as of this morning, we've officially hauled 100,000 pounds of scrap metal out of here. And I'm done as of today. That's why I've been missing in action since I was working on a cab over. So today I'm ready to show you the new shop. I'm so excited. I am not going to be able to sleep tonight. So let's just get into it. Let's go have a look. It's all gone. And I have brought in a lot of my favorite projects. Where to start? Well, this is the short box row. And I actually have more short boxes, but I can't fit them here. So we have the 78 Blazer that I'm still puttering with. We have an 87 3/4 ton 4x4 Chevy with factory dual shocks, first year of fuel injection. 93 Suburban, I believe it's a 3-inch body lift. What do we have on that thing? 35s, 20s, did all new front and rear bumpers and grille assembly and fenders. I have 510,000 on that, needs some love. We have the 502 1970 GMC. We have the 77 F-150 with the 4-inch BDS lift and 285 BF Goodrich. That's what's on it. It's been a while, so I got to go through all this. We have the Monster Jimmy with 16 inches of lift and 45s on 20s. And I'm such a short box fanatic. We have a 98 short box GMC. This is a 350 Vortec 5-speed. It got rear-ended, needs a little bit of a straightening on the frame. It's not major, just a little bit. We have my 69 C10 Chevy short box, 2-wheel drive. We have my 77 step side. That has 4-inch suspension lift, 3-inch body lift, 35-inch Dick C-Pex with the turbine wheels, dual shocks, and it's a step side. We have the Mega Truck. I don't even know how much lift that is, but it's all 4-linked, 1 tons, lots of fun stuff. Actually, this is the only one I damaged while moving everything with the tractor, so thankfully it's just a grill and a headlight. And the Kraken is officially inside the shop. Yeah, it lives in here now. I was really struggling with all the cold we had this year. And it wasn't really cold like we normally have in Canada, but too cold to work outside. But my baby's inside. So I got it on jack stands. Now I can deal with the rear end. I can pull the motor out because I have my my hoist there. And we can do metal work. And the 42 cab over is right inside where all the lighting is. And been doing dent repair. My buddy Rick came over with his cool little slap file and was teaching me all how to do dent repair. So I've been puttering away because there's so many dents in this thing. And I really like to learn some more metal work. So there you go. I'm all set up. And the point of this for me is because I realized I spent the last 9 years of my life working on other people's vehicles. And when you think about it, you give up 9 years of your life to work on other people's vehicles, and all of mine just got put aside. So now when I go away to work, which is going to be really soon, I'm happy I was able to get all this done. And now I just need a little bit of this to dry up. But now when I go away to work and I come home, I don't have to deal with anything. I can just putter. So if I want to work on any of these, I can just pull it ahead and work on it right here, because once this is dry, this is really hard packed. And the crazy thing is that I have way more that's not even here. I easily have twice this much in fun projects to play with. A lot of them I can't put outside. But I just wanted to give you guys the update. Ha! I'm finally done. And it's officially playtime. I don't have to move anything anymore. So, you don't get any work videos on today's. Just giving you the shop update because I'm so excited.